are making stir-fry salmon with pineapple, and we have 2.5 pounds of salmon. So we're gonna slice it like this. Okay, so we cut the salmon up like this, and we remove the skin, and we kind of washed it with half a lemon. So we have a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ginger grated, and 3 cloves of garlic. So we have 1 bandonier chopped and a branch of thyme. We're just gonna do this. A whole small Scotch bonnet pepper and 1 pimento pepper. So we have 20 ounces of canned pineapple chunks. We're just gonna put that in here. So we have 2 bell peppers chopped up lengthwise, half a medium onion chopped up lengthwise. We have 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. So we're just gonna cover the bottom of the pan with oil. So we're gonna let it warm up. So the oil is hot, and we are going to add the fish in. So we're gonna turn it. I'm gonna try to be really careful not to break it. It's all turned. I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes after turning it. So they're done. We're just gonna take it out, put it on a plate. Okay, so we're gonna add the onions. So we added the rest of the garlic and ginger from the salmon seasoning. Okay. So we're gonna add a teaspoon of paprika. We're gonna add the broccoli, rice vinegar, soy sauce, we're gonna add the pineapple and the salmon. We added everything. We're going to just let it cook for 5 minutes and cover it. So it has been cooking for 5 minutes, and it's done, and that's what it looks like. This is delicious.